Good morning, students. Welcome back to learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today I am going to teach you new topic, percentage. So let us start. The first, you understand percentage. The fraction with its denominator as 100 is equal to that percent as is the numerator. Understand example with example. A fraction, take fraction 4 by 100. A fraction with its denominator as 100 is equal to that percent as is the numerator. The here numerator is 4 is called 4%. Next take example 7 upon 100. According to definition, a fraction with its denominator as 100 is equal to that percent as is the numerator. Here numerator is 7. So write 7%. Is it clear? Percentage denoted this type. Always you remember this symbol is called percentage. Also you write next point x percent means. Also write x upon 100. X percent. Also write x upon 100. In ratio also you write x is to 100. Always you know percentage is equal to 1 by 100. Very important point. Percentage is equal to 1 by 100. Explain this type. Percent. Cent means 100, means per 100. This is right this type 1 upon per 100. Is it clear? So now later discuss some questions to related percentage. In question number 1, convert 47 upon 100 into a percentage. So we have 47 upon 100. So this is percentage या fraction या ratio. So this is in fraction. The 47 upon 100, this is a fraction. So always you remember any fraction convert into percentage, we multiply by 100 and put the symbol of percentage, means rewrite 47 upon 100. Convert into a percentage. The in fraction we multiply by 100 and put the sign of percentage. This fraction convert into percentage. 100 cancel out, here remaining 47%. Is it clear? Now later discuss question number 2. In question number 2, convert 9 by 20 into a percentage. So we have 9 upon 20. So this is a fraction. Fraction convert into percentage. So we multiply by 100 and put the symbol of percentage. So rewrite the fraction 9 by 20, we multiply by 100 and put the symbol of percentage. Always remember this point. 25 ja 100, 9 5 ja 45%. The fraction 9 by 20 is equal to 45%. Is it clear? Now later discuss question number 3. In question number 3, convert 1 whole 3 by 5 into a percentage. So we have 1 whole 3 by 5. So this is a fraction. This type of fraction, the mixed fraction. Is it clear? The first of all, mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. So this type 1 5 ja 5 plus 3 8 upon 5. This fraction convert into percentage. So just I discussed 8 upon 5 we multiply by 100 and put the symbol of percentage. 25 ja 100, 28 ja 160%. So here we see 1 whole 3 by 5 is equal to 160%. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, convert 32% into a fraction. So we have 32%. 32% convert into fraction. Here concept will be changed. Means here percentage convert to fraction. So in this type rule is any percentage convert into fraction, we divide it 100 and remove the sign of percentage. So here we divide it means number, in divide 32 by 100 and remove the percentage, not right here, is equal to, when cancellation here, 8 4 ja 32, 25 4 ja 100. So we write 8 upon 25. This is your required answer. So lastly we say 32% is equal to 8 upon 25. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 5. In question number 5, convert 6 whole 1 by 4 percentage into a fraction. So here given 6 whole 1 by 4 percentage. First arrange 6 4 ja 24 plus 1, 25 upon 4%. Percentage convert into fraction, we divided by 100. 4 is already present here. 25 4 ja 20 is equal to 1 upon 4 4 ja 16. Always remember, when percentage convert into fraction, we divide it 100 and remove the percentage sign. So lastly we get 1 by 16. So we say 6 whole 1 by 4% is equal to 1 upon 16. Now let us discuss question number 6. In question number 6, convert 0.06% into fraction. So we know that we divide it 100 and remove the sign of percentage. This is convert into fraction. Simplify here. Write 6 upon 100 into, remove decimal here, write 100. 3 2 ja 6, 52 ja 100. We get 3 upon 5000. Is it clear? I hope you understand the topic of percentage with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.